Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Kindly watch this video and subscribe to this channel after that, so you'll be able to get notifications when I upload a new video concerning graphic design and some other tutorials. All right, so I'll be talking on how to design this particular social media post flyer that looks this way. So I'll have to change the background of this to take the background I'll be making use of. So I can change it to this and then change the color of this background to the color I'll be making use of, which is white. Good. Then I'll import the materials I'll be using for these designs. I can simply go to my gallery, and then this is one of the stuffs I'll be using. I can just select it. You can see it was cropped out from a design, so I want to use this particular picture. That's why it was cropped out. You can also check the description for this material too. Good. So I'll take a shape. I'll go to shapes and then I'll select this shape. I want to make a little edit on this picture and just reduce the size and then place it here just to cover a little bit of this white place, a little bit of this side. Good. I'll go to color, enable color, and then select this ash color. How this color was selected was, you can just tap on this plus sign, go here and select this, place this points at the color you want to select. So I want to select this. I can just place it here and then mark good. You can see that it's still the same thing with the previous one. So this is how the color was selected. So let me just crop this out a bit. Good. So I'll merge these two things together. Alright, I'll go to shapes again, then increase the width of this and increase the radius. Let me change the color of this background so it will be a little bit visible. You can just take this color. Good. So I'll rotate this, then reduce the size, place it here, and just place it here. Good. So I'll go to shapes again, select this square shape, then I'll take a yellow color at this point, increase the size in such a way that it will cover all these places, and then I'll make it to be under this and merge these two together. So then I'll go to erase color. Once I enable it, all the white colors will be erased just like this. Good. I can reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size. Good. So I'll then merge these things together. Then go to erase color, enable it, use this pencil icon to select this yellow color and erase. Good. So I can now change back this background to the background I'll be using, which is what? White color. Increase the size of this. Good. So I'll copy this image, copy it, and then select a color which is yellow that I'll be making use of for this design. Increase the size a bit and then move it to back. You can use this position to adjust it well. Good. So I'll copy this again. Take a color. I'll be taking a blue color at this point. Then increase the size and place it to the back. I can use this position to adjust it to. I think it's okay like this. I'll copy this again. Rotate this like this. And also place it here. I will increase the size so it can cover what I want to use it for. Good. So let me just bring down this initial one a bit. Alright, so I'll reduce the opacity of this. Go down to opacity, reduce it by let's say 86 or thereabouts. Good. Then I will now add the necessary text I'll be adding for this design. I can just go to text, then edit. This is a digital business experts. So depending on the type of flyer you're designing, type of social media flyer you're designing, you can just fill in the necessary details you want to be here. All right, so I'll change the font to this, then select a color that I'll be making use of, which is white, and reduce the line spacing. Good. I can also increase the size. All right. So I'll take another text, then edit. Yes, I'll be adding a share your ideas with the world. Then change the color to white, and I'll add an italic style to this and reduce it to fit in here. Good. So another text I'll be adding here is I'll be adding another text here, which is a text for inquiries. That's no more. Then I can just make this to be bold and select a black color. Good. So I'll go to shapes, reduce the width, then increase the radius to this extent, and select yellow color. So I can just reduce the size of this and place it here. Then reduce the size of this too, but this time around I'll make it to be at the front, so it won't be under this. Reduce the size in such a way that it will be able to fit in here. Good. I'll pick another text and then edit. So I'll be adding the website of this organization that is running this. That's www. I'll use .websites.com as an example of the website. So depending on the organization you're designing for, you can just add the website of that company there. I'll select a white color and then reduce the size like this. Good. So I'll go to stickers. Because I'm using Pixellab premium version, you may not have these stickers if you're using the normal Pixellab. So you can check the description too for these materials, and also you can message me with the link in the description if you need these Pixellab premium versions. Alright, you can message me and then I will give it to you. So this is the sticker I want to be using. I want to be using this sticker. Good. I'll crop this. I just want to use the first 4 icons. Then choose a color. Because I've been using yellow, I'll select yellow. Reduce the size. Sorry. I think I'm making a little bit mistake here. Just reduce the size and make it to fit in here. Then I'll copy this again, bring it here, and crop. I want to use this WhatsApp icon, so I can just crop out only this WhatsApp icon. Then increase the size a bit and then position it here. Good. So I'll be adding the phone number of this organization. So I can just copy this text from here and edit it. I can just use this as an example. Then I'll copy this no more, edit. This one will now be for more info. I'll copy this too. And then bring this to be at the front. So I'm just trying to make a little edit here. Good. Good. So I can just copy this. I can copy this that I used initially and change the color to yellow. Bring it up here this way. I'll copy this, Then this is the place where you will place the logo of this organization. So I can just use this right top logo. So I can just use this as an example. This is where the logo of the company will be. So you can see how beautiful this design is now. It's looking so nice and professional. What we will have to do here, we are going to save this. We will save it as image. Depending on the format you want, you can just save it. Depending on the format you want, whether you want to print it or not. Save to gallery. And once you go to your gallery, you will see this design there. So thank you once again for watching this video to this point. Thank you for visiting this channel once again. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also comment on how useful this video is to you, or if you have any design idea that you want me to do a video on, or you have any issue concerning any design, you can just comment on this video and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe.